Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ariana. You know the deal here. I'm very out of breath. Today we're going to be doing a room tour, a very realistic room tour. Oh, not very realistic, but just realistic. Like, I just, cleaned everything up on the floor, except like, I didn't vacuum or anything. And there's two boxes of, not like boxes full of trash, but there's two boxes to go to trash in here. This is the only day I had to, film this. So I'm taking full advantage of that. Let's get started. Also, I have nobody to help me film, so I don't know how good this video is gonna be. When you walk in the door, this is the overview. And then that's the two things for trash I was talking about. Again. And then this is the back of the door. So we're gonna just scoot this way, slide over here. This is still a work in progress. I'm not keeping this stand very long. I'm gonna get another one of those cubes and put it over here and move that stuff, obviously. So this is still a work in progress. Some Easter stuff on the bottom. This is my boyfriend's shelf, and he decided to put our little baby light here. This one and this one are both random. Again, sorry I'm out of breath. I'm doing this, by myself, so I have to film all this by myself. I just cleaned the room, but we're gonna get it done, so just don't mind my heavy breathing. To this shelf, in between the two shelves, my boyfriend has his weights here. Then we have a box of like important papers, shoebox, and that's where I sit my purse. Sliding over. Oh my gosh, sorry. Had to take a deep breath. These are my cubes. Sorry about the lighting, kind of crappy. Over here, sorry about that interruption. My boyfriend called me. So here I just have my drinks for right now. You guys know about this cube thing, but I'm just gonna show, well, you know about it if you watch my vlogs. This is my current and use body products jewelry box. The two necklaces I barely wear, but wear most often. This has diapers and wipes, and my niece is brushing it. Books. This is a book for my son that I got. This is the junk drawer. I keep like extra bags in here. These are for the curtains, chip clip, a bunch of cords and papers. Movies. I can do a movie collection if you guys want that. Just kind of giving you guys an overview of this. In here, hold on one second. This is my snack drawer. And then the last one, in front of that, I have my fan. I don't have it on so you can hear me. Next to all of this, we keep our shoes. We haven't decided yet whether we're gonna get like a rack to put there or an over the door holder. You move over the closet door. I'm not going in there, it's absolutely atrocious. Then you move it this way and it's my desk area. I'm not gonna show you like everything because I'm gonna be doing a desk tour. So let's just do an overview. This is like everyday makeup in there, and then some products on the top and nail polishes. And there's makeup in these two drawers. And this down here is all makeup. You move this way, and there's the TV. As you can see, it's not plugged up right now. My boyfriend's PlayStation is with him at his dad's. So then you come this way, and it is his TV, well, our TV and his dresser. And his little character fell. And his earring is there, I don't know why. There is a lawnmower going, and from this point you know that the bed is right across from the TV, so I'm just gonna kind of show you this area over here. Let me point it down just a little bit so you guys know this is the bed, obviously. I've had that tapestry for a while. You've seen it in other videos, and these lights as well you've seen in other videos. Over here I have a little trash can. You can't see, but I'll show you in a second. And then I have extra blankets and pillows, and I have a huge stuffed dog that I got for Valentine's Day from my boyfriend. Here's the overview of that. And then that trash can has Trashinates, and then the pillows, and then blankets, and the dog. Okay, guys, the lawnmower is still going, but I'm very out of breath filming that because the fan wasn't on, and it's starting to get hot because I have pants on. But I have no shorts clean, so right after I'm done finishing this outro, I'm gonna go put laundry in. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. I know it was kind of fast and not really in depth. Like I said, I want to do an in-depth desk tour and a closet tour. So I didn't show you the closet like at all. It's such a mess in there. If you wonder where we keep our dirty clothes, we keep them in the closet in a, like, you know, a bin, a clothesbin. I couldn't think of the word for a second, but anyways, I've been meaning to film this video for a while, and today I finally was able to film it. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.